Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making yummy sweet recipe without cooking. In a blender, desiccated coconut 1 cup, milk powder 1 cup, sugar half cup. Make fine powder. Transfer to a bowl. Milk 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix, make fine dough. Dough is ready. Keep aside. In a same blender, almonds 1/4 cup, milk powder 1/4 cup, sugar 2 to 3 tablespoons. Make fine powder. Keep aside. Food color half teaspoon. Mix everything. Milk 1 to 2 tablespoons. Roll like this. Cut the edges. Roll like this. Refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, now it's ready to serve. Cut thin slices like this. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.